Hello students, hope all of you are fine. Welcome to social science class. Today I am going to revise a chapter of geography, natural vegetation. Students, as you know, I have sent you two tutorials of this lesson and you all have must seen that tutorial. Now, students, today I am going to revise this chapter with what is natural vegetation? Where trees, plants grow on their own without the interference of human beings is called natural vegetation. Now the factors on which the growth of vegetation depends. Now which are the factors? Factors on which the growth of vegetation depends are first, slope, moisture, climate, and thickness of soil. Listen again, factors on which the growth of vegetation depends: climate, slope, and next you can write thickness of soil and moisture. Now, which are the broad categories of natural vegetation? There are three main broad categories of natural vegetation. Number one, forest. Two, shrubs. And number three is grasslands. So first of all, we will discuss about forest. As you know, there are different kinds of forest. And you also know it very well that in India we have deciduous forest. In most part of India we have deciduous forest. So first of all, I am going to revise evergreen and deciduous forest. Evergreen. These forests remain green throughout the year. Here trees do not shed their leaves at the same time. They get rainfall more than 200 centimeters. These are very dense forests. Sunlight cannot reach the ground. And these forests are also known as rainforest. These forests are found in Southeast USA, Southeast India, and South China. These forests are found in the parts of Southeast USA, South China, and northeastern part of India, such as in Assam side. And main trees grow in this forest are rosewood, ebony, mahogany, and these are the hardwood trees. Next is deciduous forest. Deciduous forests are those forests where trees shed their leaves in particular season. These are also known as monsoon forest. They get rainfall less than 200 centimeters. These are not so dense forests. And hardwood trees like teak, sal, shisham are found in these forests. And they are found in central part of India, northern Australia, and Central America. Evergreen forests are found in eastern part of India, northeastern part of India, whereas deciduous forests are found in central part of India. Evergreen forests are found in southeast USA and South China, whereas deciduous forests are found in northern Australia and Central America. Now come to the next topic, Mediterranean and coniferous forest. Mediterranean forest or Mediterranean regions are also known as orchards of the world because citrus fruits are grown here. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapes, fig, olives are grown here. Citrus fruits need Mediterranean type of climate for the growth. And in Mediterranean type of climate, summers are hot and dry, whereas winters have mild rainy season. In winters have mild rainfall. And next is coniferous forest. Coniferous forest provide us softwood. Here trees provide softwood which provide us wood pulp. And wood pulp is useful for making paper, matchboxes, newsprint and packing boxes. Coniferous forests provide us softwood. And from softwood we can get wood pulp. Wood pulp is used for making paper, newsprint, matchboxes and packing boxes. So these are useful forests. Commercial value is, these forests have commercial value, trees have commercial value, commercial point view say, they provide us softwood. Next, grasslands. Treeless land where only grass is grown is known as grassland. And grasslands are known by different names in different countries. For example, in North America, grasslands are known as prairies. In South America, pampas. And in Australia, downs. Wild in Africa and campers in Brazil. So these are the different names of grasslands in different parts of the world. There are seasonal grasslands which are found in savanna regions of Africa. Seasonal grasslands are found in the savanna regions of Africa. So students, try to do the exercises of this lesson in your homework copy and revise the question answers exercises also. In the end, I want to share with you that take care of your health. Health is wealth and you people are very precious. Take care of your health in this winter season. Avoid to have cold drinks and follow the proper precautions. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. Thank you and have a nice day.